All right, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So we're going to be working some more on the h22, trying to get some more work done on the CD5. Right now I'm going to try to put I'm going to get the flywheel, the clutch, and the pressure plate all put together, and then try to get to the valve cover painting if we get that far, but we'll see how far we get. All right, so here's what I got. An Amazon clutch kit. I think it's called EFT. You guys have already seen the lightweight flywheel. Came with the pressure plate and then the six foot clutch, and then a throw-up bearing. I'm not gonna be pushing like crazy amount of horsepower, so I'm sure this will do just fine. I'm just gonna go ahead and clean the flywheel up real quick with some brake cleaner, and then go ahead and start throwing it on there. All right. Yeah, I'm just gonna spray this down real quick, get it cleaned up, get all the like oils from like the factory from when they made it, get it cleaned up. Now, like I said in the last video, this is supposedly an 11.5 pound flywheel compared to, I think the factory H22s or F22s flywheels are like 20 some odd pounds. But I mean, this looks pretty well made. I know for being like an Amazon product, but it looks pretty damn good. So I'll try it out, and I guess once get the car running, we'll see how it feels. Get like an actual feel for the clutch. It's a stage 3 clutch, so hopefully it's a little bit better than the stock. Okay, now that it's all cleaned up, we can go ahead and just throw this on. Doesn't have to be perfect. I just wanted to get all like the oils from the factory off. Okay, let's get this put on. All right. I forgot to put my Loctite on these bolts, so I'm just gonna, I haven't tightened them yet. I'd started to, but then I remembered, so let's go ahead and put some Loctite on all of these. Okay, apply some of this red locker on here. Some Loctite. Keep these bolts from flying out. I'll just go through real quick, and I'll probably speed up this process. All right, that's the last one. Now we can torque them down to spec. Hey, start at the bottom one here. I'm going for 76 pounds of torque. So slowly tighten them down and star pattern. It looks like it's solid to me. Okay. Looks good to me. real quick. I'm gonna pull it up just to double check to make sure I got the right pressure on there, the torque specs. So I'll be right back. All right, now that the flywheel is on, I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe it down again, just because I was, obviously touching it with my hands, gloves, whatever. I'm gonna wipe this down real quick. Then we'll throw in the clutch itself. Then we'll torque down the pressure plate. Okay, looks good. So pop this in. Okay, now that I finally got it on there, I'm gonna go ahead and clean the pressure plate a little bit. Some brake cleaner as well. What the hell? There's blue on here. Look at that. Just clean all this off real quick. There we go. And then we're gonna slide this on here like so. All right, so I finally got the pressure plate on. It looks like this top pin up here is like bent up in a weird way, and it wasn't allowing these pins to sit in there, but I finally got them on there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put all the rest of the bolts on, tighten them down to the torque spec. Okay, now I'm just gonna apply some thread locker to the bolts. Go ahead and start tying everything down. Yeah, I don't know if those flywheels are supposed to be like that pin is supposed to be bent up that way or not. I'm assuming no, but being a cheap like Amazon product, I'm not surprised. Something had to go wrong, but other than that, got it on there and it's holding up tight. So I guess we'll see how it holds up when it's actually running. Now I torque it down. I think I said 19 pounds for the flywheel. Okay, so we got this set. We got this set to 19 pounds, tightened. Now we're just gonna torque everything down to spec. Okay, there you have it. Pull this pin out. Oh, okay. There we go. And there you have it. Amazon, eBay clutch kit installed on the h22. What time is it? I don't know what time it is. I think I'm going to go and pick up the paint for the valve cover and kind of get that started, but I don't think I'll finish it today. Well, there you guys have it. There is the clutch and pressure plate, flywheel all installed, and we'll see how long it holds up. Everything is torqued to spec, cleaned up. I think it looks good. That's going to be the end of this video, guys. And as always, if you guys liked content and want to see more on the CD5, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.